Your kitchen is one of the most high-traffic, high-energy rooms in the house, where family gathers and life happens. You can reflect this vitality by turning your cabinetry into a vibrant design element. Painting your cupboards or island can help define your family style. Try a favorite shade of green for a cozy cottage look. For a more powerful punch of color, choose a semi or high gloss finish, or a lacquered enamel cabinetry. These glossy sheens reflect natural light and make small spaces appear larger. On the opposite end of the color spectrum, neutrals like Battleship Gray are smart bets for adding contrast to your kitchen. Wood grain finishes also have a warming effect, especially for toning down common kitchen metallics like nickel and stainless steel. Another way to bring in color is by painting the interior only of cabinetry. Turquoise really livens up white coastal kitchens. When you choose your cabinet color, bypass trends and stick with longtime favorite hues. Also, select wall, ceiling, and floor hues that complement your cabinet color rather than overwhelm it. So what color best reflects your family's personality? Find more design inspiration at coastalliving.com.